The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is probing the fatal shooting of a man allegedly during an altercation with a policeman on Jarrett Street in Montego Bay, St. James last night. Codian Barrett has the details.
On Saturday morning, residents of Hart Street blocked the road and lit debris to protest against the police killing of 33-year-old Cadmore Beadle at a bar Friday night.
We're doing this just so it is known that he was a good man. He's a father, he's a motivator, he's a confidant, he's everything that, somebody would want to have, a person that everybody would want to be a part of. So how he died, it's so unfortunate, and we feel a way about it, you understand? And I mean, it is just so heart-wrenching.
According to the Director of Complaints for INDECOM's Western Division, Errol Chatou, Mr. Beadle and a policeman had an argument at a bar about 11:45 last night. During a tussle, Mr. Beadle was shot and the policeman stabbed with a sharp implement. Both men were taken to hospital where Mr. Beadle was pronounced dead. The policeman underwent surgery, but residents believe the altercation could have been avoided.
And if this is how police officers walk around in plain clothes and they're at bars and their role is to serve and protect, and then just come and step on foot and whatever the case be, and them chuck him and then shot fire man dead.
We don't have no money. Daddy come and put something on my hand. We hungry. My daddy give me food. What did he do? He never troubled nobody.
Mr. Chatou says a statement will be taken from the injured cop once he has sufficiently recovered. Meanwhile, INDECOM is encouraging patrons of the bar and protesters to provide INDECOM with statements on the shooting to help with the investigation. Codian Barrett, TVJ News.
Gunmen shot 5 persons, 2 fatally, in the community of Spring Park in Black River, St. Elizabeth last night. It's reported that about 10:40 patrons were at a shop when gunmen walked up and opened fire, hitting 5 of them. The men escaped on foot. 38-year-old bar operator Marlon Gager died at the scene, while 34-year-old bartender Samantha Johnson of a Spanish Town address died in hospital. Commanding officer for the St. Elizabeth Police Division, Superintendent Dwight Daly, says the ongoing intra-gang conflict in Spring Park has now resulted in 9 persons being shot, 5 fatally.